Welcome back to my video. In the last video, we have studied about the monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous stem. So in this video, we are going to study about the leaf, the structure of the leaf. How does it look when we cut into the surface of the leaf? Okay. So in this video, it is totally based on the leaf, the cutting of the leaf, like uh, dicotyledonous leaf and monocotyledonous leaf. Both will be totally not that different, but little difference is there. So let us study. Yeah, as I was saying that dicotyledonous leaf and monocotyledonous leaf. In dicotyledonous leaf, it is also known as dorsiventral leaf. It is also known as dorsiventral leaf. In dorsiventral leaf, the vertical section of the dorsiventral leaf, though the lamina shows three main parts. Which are these three main parts? There are epidermis, mesophyll and vascular system. As it is present on the page number 76 in your new NCRT, you can see in that. Now, looking at this structure, the epidermis which covers both the upper surface and lower surface. The upper surface which is there, it is also known as adaxial surface, adaxial epidermis, and the lower surface which is there, it is known as abaxial. What? Epidermis. It is lots of difference between adaxial and abaxial. Okay, adaxial means the upper surface and abaxial means the lower surface. This first you have to understand. Do not make mistakes in your exams. Now, of the leaf has conspicuous cuticle. The abaxial epidermis generally bears more stomata than the adaxial epidermis. It means they are talking about the leaf, saying that abaxial means the lower surface which is there, lower surface of the leaf which is there, the more amount of stomata will be present in the lower surface of the leaf because of photosynthesis. As the sun which is there, it produces the sunlight or the plants. It is known as photosynthesis. For due to photosynthesis, the stomata which are there, it will be present in lower surface of the or lower area of the leaf, not upper. Then later may even lack stomata. The tissue between the upper and the lower epidermis is called as mesophyll. Has in the last video I also explained about the what is mesophyll. The exact statement which is there in your NCRT, you have to practice it. Okay, it may also come in your MCQ like questions or even in 2 marks also. Now, mesophyll which possess chloroplast and carry out photosynthesis, it is made up of parenchyma. Here, parenchyma cells are playing a major role in the leaf or the plant, stem or root. Parenchymatous are playing the most important role in this green colored leaves. Then it has two types of cells, the pellucidal parenchyma and the spongy parenchyma. Now in these two types of parenchyma cells are there. One is known as spongy, other is known as pellucidal. Then the adaxially placed parasitic parenchyma, which is made up of elongated cells which are arranged vertically and parallel to each other. Both the cells which are there, they are elongated and they are vertically and parallelly to each other. Okay. The oval or round or loosely arranged spongy parenchyma is situated below the pellucid cells and extends to the lower epidermis. This pellucid and this spongy parenchyma which are there, both extend between these cells. Now what is vascular system? As we learned in the starting chapter, like about the ground system, vascular system, epidermal system, in that this will be the leaf side. Now, this vascular system includes vascular bundles which can be seen in the veins and the midrib. Now, what is this veins and the midrib? generally you have seen the veins of the human body, right? So when you take a leaf from any of the garden, in that, in the leaf, in which the leaf is the in between the line which is going, it is the midrib of the leaf. The side which lines are going are known, it is known as the veins of the leaf. Got it? Next, the size of the vascular bundles are depend on the size of the veins. Vascular bundle which are there, they are totally dependent on the what? The veins. The veins vary in thickness in their reticulate vegetation of the dicot leaves. The veins which are there, they vary. Vary means it may be big or small, tall or short, like this. It totally depends on the reticulate vegetation of the dicot leaves. Now as we are talking about dicotyledon root or dorsiventral leaf, not root. Okay. In this dicot leaves, the vascular bundles are surrounded by the layer of thick-walled bundle shell cells. Look at the figure 6.5a and find the position of the phylum and the vascular bundle. Now this question is for you, dear students. You have to find out the position of the xylem and the vascular bundle. Now let me explain you